Hey guys, welcome back to iCakelet. And for this video, I'm going to be doing my times tables. Because for math, you need to know your times tables off by heart and to know your sums quicker. So, first we're going to start off with our 4 times table. So you'll say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, and 48. And then for our 6 times table, we're going to say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, here we're going to say 42, and then 48, 54, 60, 66, and 72. And then 7 times table is like really easy for me. So it's 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, then 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, and 84. So for the 9 times table, I found a trick, but I'll show you at the end. So here it's 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. Here is 90, 99, and 108. Okay. So as you can see here, it's going from 8 till 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 0. It's going backwards. So like it's going downwards. And then here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it's going upwards. So maybe you can use that trick. It's a little confusing. And then for the 12 times table, it's 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 120, 108, then it's 120, then 132, and 144. So for this one, for 12, here you can see that it's counting in 2s. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Like 0 to 10. And then goes on again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's the timetable. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post new videos. Bye!